So good day everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the endangered species in the world.
You did right. We're gonna talk about the 4 endangered species in the world and what is the best way to help them.
Here's the animals that we are going to talk. We have the Philippine tarsier, kakapo, tiger, and lastly, pygmy three-toed sloth.
Talk about first the Philippine tarsier. The Philippine tarsier is a small primate found in the forests of the Philippines and is classified as near threatened. It is estimated that only around 5,000 to 10,000 individuals remain in the wild. This species is threatened by deforestation, habitat destruction, hunting, and the illegal pet trade, making conservation efforts essential to protect its population.
Next we have Strigopaphroptilus, also known as kakapo. There are only about 116 kakapos left in southwestern New Zealand, making them one of the world's rarest birds. As the only flightless parrot, they live on the ground and are nocturnal, relying on their green plumage for camouflage. They face severe threats from feral cats, rats, disease, and low reproductive rates, leading to their classification as critically endangered, according to the IUCN.
The third one, the pygmy three-toed sloth, or also known as the monk sloth.
Pygmy three-toed sloth is the only critically endangered sloth species and it's found exclusively on Escudo de Veraguas Island off the coast of Panama. Although accurate population data is lacking, estimates suggest that only 2,000 to 2,500 individuals remain in the wild. Their survival is threatened by human activity, hunting, and deforestation, which continue to reduce their already limited habitat.
Lastly, we have tiger.
Tigers are endangered, with only about 4,500 individuals remaining in the wild. Their population is declining due to habitat destruction, poaching for their skins and body parts, and human-wildlife conflict. Conservation efforts focus on protecting forests, stopping illegal hunting, and increasing protected areas to help their numbers recover.
Now, what do we do to help these endangered species? To help the endangered species like tarsier, kakapo, tiger, and pygmy three-toed sloth, we must protect their habitat by supporting conservation programs that preserve forests and natural environments. It is important to stop any illegal hunting and wildlife trade by avoiding products made from endangered species and reporting illegal activities. We should also reduce pollution and deforestation by using sustainable products, recycling, and supporting eco-friendly initiatives. Supporting conservation organizations through donation, volunteering, or spreading awareness can make a big difference. Lastly, educating others about these animals and their importance will inspire more people to take action and help them save from extinction.